Welcome to the instructional guide for the FX-400 401 firmware update that includes new tools for simplified programming and panel configuration. In the previous video, we looked at the auto configuration feature on the panel. In this video, we'll take a look at the new feature in the configuration software, Modify Mode, for making direct adjustments to a panel's configuration. You'll need to have the software configuration application version 2.1.5 or above, and the panel requires firmware version 2.1.12 and above. Locate the micro USB port on the core board. Connect to the panel with a USB micro cable that supports data transfer. Plug the other end of the cable into one of your laptop's USB ports. Make sure you have a valid USB security key plugged into your laptop also. Open the configuration software, go to File, User Preferences, and confirm that the proper COM port is selected under Serial Port. Select Panel, then select Connect. Once connected, go to Panel, Modify Mode. The panel's job data will be uploaded for editing in the configurator. We can confirm we are in Modify Mode by the indicating checkmark. Only some sections of the panel can be accessed when using the Modify Mode. The job tree shows what can be edited. Live edits can be made to panel options, device tags, correlation assignments, and device process types like alarm or supervisory. Viewing the Options section under Job Details, we see default options that are configured automatically, like manual signal silence, fire drill options, and device LEDs flash when devices are pulled. We can change and update these options directly while connected to the panel. Let's change the style of our addressable loop from Class B to Class A by selecting the Class A Loops option. Now that we made this change, we can apply it directly to the panel. Select Panel, and then select Quick Update, then select Update Options. This will update the changes in the panel. A notification pops up indicating option changes have been made, and we should retrieve the job database from the panel to have a backup. Remember, we are using Modify Mode here, and any changes we've made only exist in the control panel. Navigating to the addressable loop, we can see the devices that were added during the auto configuration process. We can see that there are no device tags, and all of the input devices are set as alarm type. Since we are connected to the panel and using the Modify Mode, we can edit the descriptive device tags for each of our input devices. When complete, select Panel and select Quick Update, this time choosing the Update Tags option. This will send the new tags into the panel's database. A notification pops up indicating changes have been made to the tags, and we should retrieve the job from the panel to have a backup. The changes we made take effect immediately. Next, let's look at the correlations that were automatically made when we did the auto configuration and make some changes. You can see that the input devices have all been correlated to the NAC output circuits. The relays, however, are not automatically correlated and will need to be configured for proper operation. Let's quickly correlate elevator lobby smoke detectors to the elevator recall relays by right-clicking on the relay, selecting Add Correlations, and choosing the specific smoke detector inputs. When complete, select Panel, and then select Quick Update, this time choosing the Update Correlations option. This will update the new correlations in the panel's database. A notification pops up indicating changes have been made to the correlations in the panel and a backup should be obtained. Let's go back to our addressable loop and make some additional changes. Notice that columns can be expanded to show additional information. In particular, note the wiring styles on the dual input modules. These were set during auto configuration as Class A or B. Lastly, we need to make some changes to the device process types. The tamper switch inputs are currently set as alarm type and need to be adjusted to a supervisory type. Double-clicking on the cell allows us to change the setting. When complete, select Panel and select Quick Update, choosing the Update Process Types. This will update the device process types in the panel's database. The pop-up notification tells us we should get a copy of the database for backup. Let's go ahead and get the job from the panel for backup. Go to the panel menu, select Get Job. A dialog provides details about the job file. Click on Yes to continue with the Get Job operation. Enter comments and select OK. A notification that the job has been successfully uploaded appears. Click OK. That's it. Making changes using the Modify mode is a quick and easy way to set up the 400 series fire alarm control panels. Don't forget to look at the other features in this video series: auto configuration and direct import and export of tags using a CSV file. Thanks for watching.